Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to clear the cache on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram application. Now the thing is, there is no specific option available in iPhone to clear cache data of Instagram application. The only method involves deleting the Instagram application and then reinstalling it. Make sure you have your username and password handy. When you are ready, press and hold down on the Instagram application. Then select Remove App to delete it from your phone. Once done, head to your App Store, search for Instagram, and reinstall the application by tapping on Reinstall the app. On an Android phone, you can directly delete the cache from the Settings application, but that option is not available in iPhones. Deleting the cache frees up storage space on your device. Over time, cache data can accumulate and take up a significant amount of space on your phone. It can enhance the app's overall performance. It can resolve issues like lagging, freezing, or slow loading times that may arise from a large or corrupted cache. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.